Saturn in Earth Trikona houses. So, friends, Saturn being the planet that signifies grief, discipline, organization, restrictions, persistent efforts, even delays, a workaholic person, justice, and karma. So, what happens when Saturn is in Earth Trikona houses 2, 6, and 10? So, in the second house, wealth is generated, a portfolio is being made, but through hard work. There's no easy gains, no freebies. Luck favors less compared to hard work in terms of finance. Then a person will have a serious speaking style, well measured, might appear slow, but everything that's being said is well thought over and spot on. Family front person may, at a very young age, have to take up the responsibilities. It can be in any form, like in terms of being an elder sibling, or because of absence of some people in the family, maybe due to location or distance or many other factors. Financial stability mostly comes late in 36, mostly after 36 years of age. Now, in the sixth house, here a person is very work oriented, slow but keeps on putting consistent, persistent efforts, and even though there is a delay, there is no denial. So that means that a person, if takes up some task, might be late in completing it, but it won't be that he or she will not complete the task. Gives wins against enemies, is also good for competitive exams related to higher education. And person is a good judge of things and work matters, and can do well in law field as well. Success in life comes through discipline in daily routine. So you will see that person is well structured in his day-to-day dealings, well organized, right from all the daily tasks, getting groomed, or attending workplace and doing the tasks. It's very well organized and wants to follow the routine, and that in turns brings success in his life. Now coming to the 10th house, here also Saturn does well, but this slight modification in how the other planet behaves. So in 10th house also, the person gets authority at work, but after persistent hard work. So this differs in the way authority is achieved through sun. It's about sheer power, ego. In terms of Jupiter, is through wisdom and respect. In terms of Saturn, it's something which is hard earned. It's a good placement for private sector management roles as well, where a person rises from a small scale or from a root to a management level, and his level style is also appreciated. There is fear of public failure, but this works a little bit in positive manner. This is the same thing that drives such people towards achieving the success. It's also a good placement for technical field career success, and a person is late bloomer in life. So earlier of life works as something that builds platform for a great grand success achieved late in life. And person is of course organized at work. It's also good for service oriented firms or organizations where, let's say, a company is delivering services, and through services, there are a lot of people, manpower, and then there is a person with displacement who manages that manpower, who delivers the service. So, friends, you were watching the Jupiter retrograde channel. Thank you.